Okay, hello, welcome to the second winter episode. It doesn't look like a winter, but it's like -3 degrees. And today's episode is gonna be about crafting again, because we are at my family's land, so we can do a bit more crafting. First of all, I want to make a firewood shed because current one is a bit of ruin already. And the second project, which I'm more even excited about, is lantern. That's the plan for today. Woodshed and the lantern. Here we go. It got dark already, but I've collected that much of firewood, and now I'm looking into my current shed. As you see, it's awful, so I need to remake it. So kind of extreme makeover shed edition, right? But that's gonna be tomorrow's morning or late evening project. For now, I'm gonna start my campfire and eat something. So enjoy. And the second dish is tuna stew. I tried a bit and I think it's even better than lasagna. And that's how we are chilling. A lantern. It's gonna be made out of 2 jars stacked like that. When it comes to joining those two, I'll use one of those screws. So I took few of them out of my box at home. I'm not sure which gonna end up with the final build. I'm gonna put the twine soaked in gasoline around it, light it. When it gets warm, I'll put that into cold water and it'll just break off. Later on, I'll sand it nice and clean. And bam! Not the place I wanted it to break, and also the place I wanted it to break, and not entirely as I wanted, but still. I did break the jar. What can I do? So we're gonna improvise. It's quite resistant to the wind. Yeah, it gives reasonable light. It works quite well. It gives this characteristic smell of naphthalene, and I really like it. the morning. It was snowing whole night, so it's magical right now. And I get to work to make my woodshed, and I'll make some nice time lapse for you out of it. I hope you like this bushcrafty construction and this less bushcrafty but still crafty lantern, and I see you in the next one.